Hey, I'm Frank Curzio, founder of the Dollar Stock Club. What is the Dollar Stock Club? Well, every week I gather information from some of the world's most prominent corporate insiders. Then I send you an email. The email contains a breakdown of this information and the name of a single stock I have good reason to believe is about to go up because of it. You want in? It's $1. How do I get this information? Good question. If you want to find out, it's $1. Now you might be thinking, stock tips for $1? Sounds like a scam. I mean, I can't even get a copy of the Wall Street Journal for $1. You're going to give me a valuable tip I can actually trade on? Yep. The Dollar Stock Club is a one-page email I send out every week. It contains sensitive information I've often gathered from a high-level source. I cut straight to the bone. I tell you exactly what you need to know and exactly how to make the trade. Nothing else. You can read it in less than 5 minutes. If you're in, you're in. If you're not, you're not. Click the button to find out more.